Company with 3 subsidiaries, low PE ratio, and small market cap. Shera Energy Ltd, a winding wires and strips manufacturer. Company has over 20 years of experience in manufacturing copper winding wires, aluminum winding wires, and brass products. About 47% of the revenue is generated from copper products, 36% from aluminum products, and 17% from brass products. The company was founded in 2003 and got public in 2023. They are based in Jaipur with more than 350 employees. Company has 2 manufacturing plants in Ringas and Kaladera, Rajasthan, encompassing an area of 8 lakh square feet and production capacity of 46,750 metric tons. The market cap of the company is 349 crore rupees and currently trading at 143 rupees per share. The company has 35% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 39% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company has 3 subsidiaries in India and Zambia, through which they get the benefits of backward and forward integration. In March 2025, company invested Rs 10.15 crores to further increase its stake in one of its subsidiaries. The global winding wire market is projected to grow significantly from $14.88 billion to $23.02 billion by 2030, with a growth rate of 7.48% CAGR, showing good prospects for the company. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some domestic investments in the company. Public holding is dropping, indicating that domestic investors are buying from the public. Company has served more than 350 clients from 15 countries. With revenue concentration of 95% from domestic and 5% from exports, and expects to reach 35 to 40% export revenue in the coming few years. In June 2025, company plans a capex of Rs 150 crores to expand in Zambia and launch new products. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.